Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you this. I don't know what it's called because, well actually I forgot what it's called, but the box is chucked away now, so I don't know I don't know what it's called. But for now on, I'm just going to call it a EcoBot Spaceman vacuum cleaner. So, yeah. You actually had to build it. Oh, yeah, by the way, if you actually know what it's called, please tell me in the comments and I'll rename it to like what it is actually called. And what it does is that it sucks up through here. And then in here, as you can see, there's some bits in there. And because there is some, I'll move the table a bit so you can actually get there. Because here, it has a small hole. So yeah, it actually vibrates like crazy, guys. There it is. Oh. There you go. So yeah, yeah, it did suck up a little bit. Oh yeah, there's a little bit by there. See if it'll suck it up. Yeah, look, there's a motor inside. Yeah, I did suck up that bit. So yeah, when it gets full, you can just like take it off and then empty it. So yeah, I decided I would show you that this little Spaceman vacuum cleaner. I'll start to upload more vacuum cleaner stuff from now on, instead of uploading random videos like, you know, YouTube poops and all that. So yeah.